Good day, everyone. Information system. Integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data for providing information. Data. A data is a raw information and are an organized form. Who creates data? Data has been created by individual and businesses. There are two categories of data: structured data and unstructured data. In structured data, there are big databases and spreadsheets. While in unstructured data, it is contain forms, image, audio, and even movies. Transformation of data to info using a data process. A data will be processed in transformation process, gonna turn into a information. The transformation process contains the summarizing, averaging, selecting, graphing, and adding. What is information? An information is an organized form of data known as information. Data that have been processed so that they are meaningful and for a purpose. Interpreted and understood by the recipient. Management. According to Theo Heyman, management has three meanings: management as a noun, as a process, and as a discipline. Management as a noun refers to a group of managers. Managers as a process, function of management, planning and organizing, while management as a discipline is a subject of management. Management is an individual or a group of individuals that accept responsibilities to run an organization. What is information management? A information management is a collect info, communicate in within the outside organizations. According to Wikipedia, IM is the collection of management of info from one or more sources. Five key components of IM. Number one, people, culture, process, content, and technology. There are five goals of IM: supply work, businesses and consumption, improve and speed of businesses, create and maintain competitive advantage through new. Number four, efficient use of organizations, informations, and assets. Number five, reduce unnecessary complexity of info processing systems. Lesson 2. The entity relationship model. Data model is an abstract model that organizes elements of data and standardize how they relate to one another and to other properties of the real world entities. Entity relationship model, or also known as ERD, widely accepted and adopted graphical tool for data modeling, introduced by Peter Chen in 1976. Entity relationship diagram, also known as ERD, contains entity, attribute, and the relationship. Entity can be person, place, object, event, or concept about which data is being tackled. And entities are written in capital letter and it is displayed in a rectangular presentation. Attribute, property or characteristics of an entity of relationship. A chance model ovals and connected to entity. Crow's foot. It is box below entity and identifiers as a PK. Composite attribute can be subdivided. Simple attribute cannot be subdivided. Single valued attribute can have only single value, while multivalued attributes can have many values. And lastly, derived attribute, an attribute whose value may be calculated from other attributes. Relationship, link between entities. Cardinalities of relationship. The specific three specific type of cardinalities. One to one, each entity in relationship will have exactly one related entity. And second one is one to many. Entity can have many entities, but on the other side will have one entity. Many to many. Both entities can have related entities. Cardinality as contrasts. Number of instances of one entity. There are minimum and maximum cardinalities. If 0, then optional. If 1, then mandatory. Maximum cardinalities. 1 to many and many to 1. Three types of degree of a relationship is the number of entity types that participate in it. There are three types of relationship. Binary relationship, one entity related to another of the same entity type. While second one is binary relationship, entities of two different types related to each other. Ternary relationship, entities of three different related to each other. Composite entities, also known as associative entities of bridges. In conclusion, we tackle about the process of information, of data turns into information, the information management, and the ERD, which is the entity relationship. Thank you. That's all.